innovation be taken to the next level? A highly efficient, reliable, and intelligent tool is the key. This is the DJI Agris T16. The Agris T16 was designed from the ground up. It features 6 rotors, an RTK dual redundancy system, and an avionic redundancy system. It has a payload of up to 16 liters, a spray rate of up to 4.8 liters per minute, and 8 sprinklers work perfectly with the downward airflow, resulting in an impressive spraying effect. It has a spray width of 6.5 meters, which can cover an area of 10 hectares per hour. The multi-aircraft control mode functions with the FPV camera as well as an HD video transmission system with a range of up to 3 kilometers, ensuring flight safety and boosting spraying efficiency. Thanks to the all-new modular design of the T16, both the spray tank and batteries are easily swappable, which significantly improves operational efficiency. Its core module has a rating of IP67, making it easy for maintenance. The foldable aircraft arms are convenient for storage and transportation. A new battery management system and a 2600-watt 4-channel intelligent battery charger increase charging cycles by 100%. When flying in complex farmland environments, the onboard DBF imaging radar empowers the aircraft to fly over varying terrain intelligently. When encountering an obstacle, the T16 detects the obstacle's orientation and the distance to it, automatically planning a flight path to circumvent the obstacle. Pilots can view the live video feed and adjusted route on their remote controller. After circumventing the obstacle, the T16 will automatically resume spraying. To target unevenly distributed fruit trees and varying heights, the T16 comes equipped with intelligent solutions. With the Phantom 4 RTK, users can perform centimeter-level scanning of the orchard. Then, DJI Terra conducts 3D mapping of the scanned area. With its AI technology, Terra can also generate 3D flight paths for more efficient planning. With the help of the RTK centimeter-level positioning system, the T16 is capable of flying precisely along flight paths while accurately adjusting its spray rate according to tree distribution, reducing the pesticide dosage. The DJI Agris T16 delivers more efficient, reliable, and intelligent solutions, pushing the boundaries of crop protection. It lifts agricultural efficiency to new heights, opening more possibilities for the future of agriculture.
This is the DJI Agris T20, which carries 20 liters of load and covers 12 hectares per hour efficiently. The 4-channel independent flow control allows more even application, while the intelligent relief valves results in more convenient air removal. The omnidirectional digital radar provides 360 degrees 3D scene reconstruction, empowers the aircraft to avoid obstacles autonomously, even in poor visibility, guarantees safe operation both day and night. The new programmable controller is equipped with RTK module for centimeter-level flight planning. Simply press one button to have the drone take off and perform its job autonomously. Equipped with a new spreading system, T20 can deliver uniform spreading of seeds, fertilizer, and other solid materials at a rate up to 10 kilograms per minute. The rating of IP67 makes the whole aircraft washable. The foldable design makes the T20 even more portable. By using the P4 multispectral to gather precise plant-level data, T20 can apply the selectively spraying solution based on crop growth to save water and reducing the pesticide dosage. With the help of Phantom 4 RTK and DJI Terra, users can apply 3D flight path for more efficient planning. T20 is capable of flying precisely along flight path on multiple application scenarios. To target fruit trees distributed on contour lines, users can choose free flight path to save battery power. The continuous spraying function allows T20 to perform better on mountainous terrain, keeping flight safety and saving you effort. This is the powerful and precise Agris T20, pushing the boundaries of crop spraying and bringing up more possibilities for the future of agriculture.